Then I want to tell you about a problem that we had with our IDC 85K Indesit condenser dryer. The problem that we had was that this reservoir here kept on filling up with water, and when we pull the tray out it would flood all over the floor. To fix this problem, what I did was, making sure it's cool, unplugged, I removed the screw from here, and I pulled the lid back towards me as though I'm stood at the back of the machine, and I lifted the lid up. What I saw from there is that hole at the back was actually full of fluff, and what I did to fix that is this white drain down cable here. I actually pulled this off. I got a small screwdriver like this one, and I pushed it up that hole so it cleared that out, because it was actually dry and actually full of fluff there. That's why the water wouldn't drain back down through this pipe to the reservoir at the bottom. So, and once I did that, the unit was absolutely fine. Pushed that back over on there nice and tight, and then after I did that, I used the dryer, and it worked perfectly well without any leaks again. So I thought I'd do this short video just to show you a quick way on how you can fix it. I'm not saying it's going to fix all the problems, but it fixed mine. I hope this helps.